So what's up, YouTube?
What's up?
Here we sit watching Tropical Storm, soon-to-be Hurricane Erica.
Man, all this water.
I don't know what to do about it except sit here and be crazy. Blah. Like I said before, if you're tired of watching our videos, feel free to delete because they're gonna keep coming.
Delete. You hear me?
Anyways, everybody have a good night. If you live in South Florida, get ready because it's coming.
Yeah, and shout out to everybody in Kentucky. KY, baby, you hear me?
Yeah, we're from Kentucky, and so this is our first hurricane. So
First one. Man, we panicked.
if it was snow, it would be no big deal, but that's a lot of water, and
A lot of water.
I don't have a life jacket.
But I can swim.
I hope my Doberman can swim. Cyrus, can you swim?
Can you swim, homie?
Oh, Cyrus,
swim?
can you swim? Let's sure hope so.
Man.
Good night, everybody. Peace.